Have you ever wondered which vlogging camera can actually level up your content without burning a hole in your pocket? Well, today we're gonna dive deep into the 5 best vlogging cameras in 2025. Whether you're a casual creator, daily vlogger, or aspiring YouTube star, finding the right gear can make a world of difference. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking off at number 5, we have the Gavande W08C, our pick for the best budget vlogging camera. This little underdog packs a surprising punch for its price. It features a 64-megapixel sensor and shoots 4K video, giving your content a crisp, high-definition look right out of the gate. The camera includes auto, manual, and fixed autofocus modes, giving you solid control over your shots, which is great for beginners wanting to learn the ropes. It even comes with a 180-degree flip screen, perfect for framing those selfie-style clips. On top of that, built-in Wi-Fi allows quick sharing to your social platforms. You also get fun features like time-lapse and slow motion, plus an 18x digital zoom. Sure, the zoom quality gets a bit soft at the extremes, but for casual creators or first-time vloggers, it's more than enough. This is an ideal camera for students, hobbyists, or anyone getting started on YouTube without dropping big money. If you're just stepping into content creation and want something versatile and affordable, the Gavande W08C is a smart pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black, our pick for the best action vlogging camera. The Hero 13 Black is perfect for vloggers who are always on the move. Whether that's hiking up mountains or diving into waves, it's built to survive whatever you throw at it. It also shoots up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second, offering breathtaking clarity and detail, and is equipped with the latest HB series lens technology for enhanced visuals. This GoPro is also waterproof and super rugged, making it the ideal companion for high-energy adventures. With microSD card support, battery improvements, and a handy 2.27-inch touchscreen, it's incredibly easy to use in the wild. What really makes this camera stand out is its ability to tell a dynamic story, no matter the setting. If your content involves sports, travel, or anything fast-paced, the Hero 13 Black will make sure your audience feels like they're right there with you. It's the go-to for adrenaline junkies and creators who want top-tier visuals without compromising portability. At number 3, we have the Insta360 X4, our pick for the best 360-degree vlogging camera. If you want a unique angle on your content, the X4 offers a whole new way to shoot. It delivers 8K 360-degree video, along with buttery smooth 5.7K footage at 60 frames per second. What makes it shine is its ability to let you shoot first and reframe later using the Insta360 app. That means no more stressing over camera angles. You can just focus on living the moment. The invisible selfie stick effect adds a cool touch, making your footage feel like it was shot by a drone. It also doubles as a standard 4K action cam with a super wide 170-degree view, and it includes features like flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock to keep footage steady no matter the movement. It's built for wild adventures, snow, rain, or underwater. It's cold resistant and waterproof. If you're a travel vlogger, outdoor adventurer, or love experimenting with your visuals, the X4 offers a creative edge that few other cameras can match. Landing at number 2, we have the Sony ZV-1, our pick for the best compact vlogging camera. Tailored specifically for vloggers, the ZV-1 blends pro-level performance with pocket-sized convenience. It shoots in 4K with excellent autofocus and features a fully articulating screen so you can always keep yourself in the frame with ease. The 1-inch sensor captures bright, detailed video in most lighting situations, though it can struggle slightly in low-light environments. It's compact enough to carry everywhere, yet powerful enough to deliver high-quality results. If you're considering an upgrade, the ZV-1 Mark II does offer a wider lens, but it also comes with a higher price and no optical stabilization, a big deal for handheld shooters. For most creators, the original ZV-1 strikes the best balance of affordability, portability, and performance. This camera is ideal for daily vloggers, beauty creators, or anyone looking to shoot pro-quality content on the go without dealing with bulky gear. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, our pick for the best vlogging camera overall. Don't let its size fool you. The Osmo Pocket 3 is loaded with features that rival much larger cameras. It sports a 1-inch sensor for stunning visuals, complete with creamy bokeh and fantastic low-light performance. You also get advanced face tracking, so the camera stays locked on you even if you're moving around. Perfect for dynamic shooting or talking while walking. This compact camera records in 4K and offers up to 2 hours of battery life, meaning you can shoot long clips without constantly reaching for a charger. Its gimbal-stabilized design ensures super smooth footage, and it's incredibly easy to operate even with one hand. While it's not ideal for deep photography or underwater shots, its strengths lie in video creation, especially for YouTubers, TikTokers, and digital nomads. If you're looking for a sleek, all-in-one vlogging solution that fits in your pocket and keeps up with your fast-paced lifestyle, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a no-brainer.